Microbial fuel cells are a type of bioelectric chemical fuel cell. Microbial fuel cells produce energy from organic matter, aka any organic waste products from agricultural processes. Microbial fuel cells, also known as MFCs, are a type of biomass that falls under the renewable energy umbrella. So how do MFCs work? How do we go from a waste product to usable, clean energy and water? Well, let's look at a book called Microbial Fuel Cells for Babies to get the big picture, and then let's dive into the nitty-gritty details of how MFCs work.
Microbial fuel cells for babies. This is a microbe. Microbes are very small. Microbes eat organic matter. Electrogens are a type of microbe. This electrogen has no oxygen. When electrogens have no oxygen, they make electrons. This is an electron. Electrons have energy. Electrogens have nanowires. Nanowires are very small wires. Wires carry electrons. When electrogens do not have oxygen, the electrons follow a path to find oxygen. As the electrons pass the light, it turns on because of the electrons.
MFCs use biocatalytic reactors. Biocatalytic reactors means enzymes or the whole cell is being used to speed up a chemical reaction. This chemical reaction then releases energy. MFCs use electrogens, a type of microbe, as a biocatalytic reactor. Under anaerobic conditions, no oxygen present, electrogens can transfer electrons extracellularly across the cell envelope to or from electron acceptors, including electrodes, oxide materials, and other bacteria. Within the anodic chamber of the MFC, electrons are delivered to the anode surface. The electrons then travel through a wire to create an electric current. This is where our light turns on. These electrons are then released at the cathode, where they reduce in oxidant. In the case of MFCs, this means the electrons are given to oxygen. Most MFCs use oxygen in the cathodic chamber as a terminal electron acceptor. When oxygen is used as an electron acceptor, it converts into water when it reacts with hydrogen ions. These hydrogen ions were produced during the oxidation or the breakdown of organic matter in the anodic chamber. These hydrogen ions entered into the cathodic chamber through a semi-permeable membrane, combining with oxygen to produce clean, filtered water. Well, they also produce electricity